Okay guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to review a logo builder called Looka. If you look at the link in the in the description, you will find an affiliate link where you will be able to use the tool and you will be able to create your logo nice and easily. And I will also provide you with a PDF of how to run the tool. It's very simple. So let's get started. We go over to Looka and we enter our company name. So let's say we're creating a software company. Let's say our software company is called, let's say it's a marketing tool and it's called Meerkat Marketers. So we put our brand name in there and we hit get started. Pick our industry. Simply going to type in marketing. Let's say we're digital marketing, and you get a drop down, a whole list of different options there. And you can select your category and hit continue. Here you're going to pick some logos that you like. So we're not too interested in the font or the logo, the actual emblem, but we're just interested in the general layout of the logos. So consider your niche. I think that's really important because you want it to be appropriate for your industry. So I really like, as a digital marketing agency, I really like this one here. You can keep scrolling down and you're not too bothered about the colors either. You're just generally picking ones that you like and feel are appropriate for your site. I really like this one, very simplistic. And you can pick as many as you want here, but I recommend just sticking to a few. This one looks really good for a digital marketing agency. Okay, I'm happy with that. We hit continue, and then we pick the logos we like. I'm a digital marketing agency, so I quite like the idea of yellow. Bring some energy to the company. And I like blue. I feel that's a nice professional colour. So hit continue. Meerkat Marketers. Add a slogan in here if you like. Marketing solutions for all. Very simple, straight to the point, and then we hit continue. Pick some symbol type. So I'm going to pick my own symbols. I'm going to see if I can find a meerkat. There we go. We type in meerkat. And I quite like this one. So we're going to select the meerkat. I'm going to hit continue. Or alternatively, you can have this tool pick symbols for you. So it will give you categories that are in your niche. So you could hit digital marketing and it will pick some symbols for you. So let's do that for the purpose of showing you the tool. So the logo will load. You'll get a variety of different solutions. And it's so quick and easy, guys. I've never seen a logo builder this quick and easy. Really simple. And there's some excellent logos here. So you can scroll down, have a look, see which ones you like. So I really like this one here. So I can click on this and I will be taken to this page here where you can customize the logo a bit. Okay, well, that's quite nice. So you get some modern suggestions on the right, or you can change it to, let's say, you could change it to bold and you get different options. That's quite nice. Honestly, I've never seen a tool that can give so many options in such a quick time frame. Really smart software, really good. That's quite nice, very simplistic. I quite like that as well, actually. So that's nice. You might go 360 and just completely change your mind on your design at this point. To be honest, so long as you've got a nice professional looking logo, it doesn't matter. You can, oh wow, I really like this. So let's go with this. So I would then go to the brand kit and you can preview the brand kit for your logo. So you click on that and here you have all different styles, all different places for your logo, and it gives you previews of how it would look. Really professional looking, business cards, email signatures, websites, all sorts, social posts, social stories, banners, letterheads, anything you can think of that your logo would go onto, it's all here in the brand kit. So if you wanted to, you can edit the brand and you click next here. And these are just different solutions for your brand. Just different ways of having your marketing agency or your brand out there. You can pick the font and it's going to change the logo for you. Sorry, not the logo, it will change the brand kit for you. So if we come out of there, and it really is so quick and easy. I think it's the best alternative to designing a logo on Canva because this is such a quick solution. Say you want to whip up a logo in 5 minutes, it's done for you. And then when it comes to purchasing, you hit upgrade and you select your package. So this one here has absolutely everything. It has full ownership of the logo. You have every single different type of logo location there. Anything you can think of, you've got it. If you wanted to have the web kit with a website, that's available. A really good package as well. This one here, your premium logo package, doesn't have quite as many facilities as the brand kit subscription, but it's another reasonable package there for you guys. So you would select, you would enter in your details, and from there you have your logos designed and ready for you. As I say, guys, there's an affiliate link in my description. I highly recommend you use that. It will come with a rundown guide of how to use the tool, really quick and easy, and it's a win-win for both of us. So I hope you liked the tutorial today. I hope you've liked the tool, and I hope you can go on and use it and make the most of it. And I hope you have great success in your business. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And best of luck with the future. Thanks.